Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete files from a specific folder of a Google Drive through AppScript. So this is the file in the folder here over here in Google Drive, and we will delete this file through AppScript. So let's open AppScript by typing in the address bar script.google.com, and here we will create a new project, and now we will write our function. So first we will declare a variable add folder, and here we will use file app dot get folder by id. So basically this id is the folder id, and this id will get from right clicking the folder and then share and then copy link, and just paste this copy link to the browser, and see here is this one is the id of the folder. So copy it and paste or get file by id within double semicolon. And now this line of code, what this is doing is that it's fetching the folder. And now what we have to do is that we have to fetch the files. So we declare a variable where files, and then we will grab all the files in folder. So here we will write folder dot get files. So here we will write get files. It's coming. Oh, actually I have done a mistake over here. So here will be get, not by file, get folder by id. Okay, now if I type get folder files here, okay, so now we have grabbed all the files inside this folder, and now we will iterate it by while loop. So we will write files dot as next. So what this will do is it will check that this folder has any file or not. So in the while loop we will declare a variable file, and this file will contain file next. So basically this line what it is doing is that it will check the next file. So now we have to write just one line of code, file dot set track, and we'll pass to. So this line of code doing the main thing, it just deleting all the file inside the folder one by one. So we'll save it, and then we'll run this function. So first time it will ask for permission, so we have to give all the permission. So we'll just give all the permission. So here we have to click on where funds, then go to title set project, so allow, and now just see over here, just deleting all the files. See, so again, if we check, so we'll paste some file over here as two file. Okay, so this is the two file, and if we run this program again, so uh, just working fine. So this is a very small tutorial. I hope you will like it, and please subscribe, share, and bye bye.